What's up guys, for today's video we'll be taking a look at the first ever 2019 Lexus UX200 Sport. Then I'll show you many of the features on the interior and exterior. So the UX was first introduced to the market in 2018, and people were really excited that Lexus is going to make another SUV to add to their lineup. With the way the US is leaning more towards SUV, Lexus had to get their share of the pie. My current tester is the UX200 F Sport package with a window sticker of $41,000 with more than $6,000 in options. So for years now, you can tell whether you're looking at a Lexus by their grille. And Lexus has been really distinctive with their grills, so they carried it over to the UX. It has a big grill across the whole front end that makes it look aggressive and special. The headlights are full LEDs, same with the daytime running lights and the turning signal. And coming along the side, the wheels on my tester are the F Sport 19-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in 225 all-season tires. I also like the slope design they did across the back with the F Sport badge on the fender. And coming along the back, I'm not sure what exactly they did on it. I like the tail light bar and how it's running across the whole back, but for me it looks more like a Toyota CHR. But nonetheless, it has the optional power operated hatch. And the engine available on this car is the 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder that makes 169 horsepower at 6,600 RPM and 151 pound-feet of torque at 4,800 RPM, connected to the 9-speed CVT transmission that makes 29 in the city and 37 on the highway with 12-gallon fuel tank capacity. So in the driver door, you have the window control. All 4 windows are fully automatic. Right above it, you have the lock and unlock, window lock, and your mirror controls. You also have your stainless steel door handle. And on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have your active stability control. And on the steering wheel, you have your leather-wrapped 3-spoke F Sport steering wheel. On the left-hand side, you have your controls for the infotainment system. You also have voice command and volume control. You have the F Sport badge on the bottom. And on the right hand side, you have your cruise control with lane keep assist and drive assist. You also have your different modes. And behind the steering wheel, you have your paddle shifters. on the right hand side, you have your automatic light control with fog lights and turning signal. And on the right hand side, you have your front and rear wiper controls. And on the screen, you have your speeds with tachometer and your MPGs. You also have your fuel range, tire pressure, your settings, and blank page. You also have your settings, messages, lane keep assist, radio, compass, and fuel range. And right along the center console, you have the 10.3-inch screen with analog clock. You also have your mode selector. You have Sport, Normal, and Sport Plus. And your traction control. And right below it, you have the AC vents, hazards, engine start stop. You have your climate control, CD player, your heated seats and heated steering wheel. You also have a small storage with a 12-volt power outlet. Two cup holders and the all-new 9-speed CVT transmission. When you put it in reverse, you have backup camera with guidance lines. You also have Lexus touch mousepad and your radio controls and the brake hold. You also have the small center console with 2 USBs and auxiliary cord. On the screen you have your navigation, you have your different settings. You also have your audio, AM, FM, Sirius XM, and your Bluetooth. You have your phone, different apps you can download, projection for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, your information page such as eco, traffic incidents, weather, vehicle alerts. You also have your settings, and your climate control. You have climate, seats, sticker. The standard vehicle price is $34,000. They added the blind spot monitor, the navigation, the park assist, power rear door, premium paint, the F Sport package, and the illuminated door sills, which all comes up to $41,413. Here's the final assembly. And fuel economy.